As HOA board members, understanding and managing capital reserves is crucial for the longevity and financial health of your community. Capital reserves are funds set aside for major future repairs and replacements, ensuring the community can handle significant expenses without sudden assessments. A reserve study, tailored for HOAs, estimates future capital expenses and determines the necessary reserve account balance. It helps to guide maintenance, identifying future repairs and replacements to help your association plan and budget effectively. Reserve studies should be updated every 3 to 5 years to ensure long-term accuracy, projecting costs and needs 20 to 30 years ahead. Properly managing capital reserves and using reserve studies secures a well-maintained, financially stable future for your HOA. For more information on reserve studies and capital reserves, please contact CAMS.